So today I'm going to unbox some switches, and those switches are Gateron yellows, Gateron Milky yellows. So without further ado, let's start. So okay, the lighting is good, yeah, everything is fine. Yeah, so I'm trying now. I'm unboxing it firstly, and I will probably compare to some linears. Now I have on hand only Lovely Key creams and mauves. Yeah, both unlubed. Also have lubed Gateron yellow ink. So not a fair comparison, but I don't know. Okay, so unboxing it. Okay, unboxing. So like this, so I wouldn't show those in all codes. Okay, so opening like that, quite easily, opens quite easily. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so taking it out. Ooh, I see it. Yeah, I can take it out like that. I don't need to unpack it max, It's enough to unpack. Okay, so I ordered 110 Gateron yellows. I mean, I ordered 200, but in separate orders, so I should receive the next ones the other time. Okay, this is packed really, really well. Whoa! Whoa! So nice! The packaging is like, wow! Shop. That's nice. Oh man. Whoa. It's awesome. Oh, they also use these boxes. Oh, man, they really improved. Look, they use this little box for extras. Oh, it's so cute. It's very good for like for extra switches. It's so cute. How it opens? Not really sure. Maybe it should be open like this, I think. Yeah, like this. Ooh. Okay, so it's probably for for trying, So you try these and then like literally just use these if you like it. Okay, so testing the switch. Okay, take it out. It looks quite weighty, like normal switch. Looks quite nice. It has a black bottom, yeah, the nylon one, and a Milky top, as suggested. Now the sound and feel. Sound and feel. Okay. What can I say about this? I think this is a bit higher pitched, but not looped. A bit higher pitched. It could be a bit lower pitched, but smoothness wise, ooh, it's pretty smooth. It's darn smooth. Yeah, it's good. It's pretty smooth. The sound, as I said, it's a bit high pitched, but I think loop could fix it. Now the legendary spring, that 63.5, I think. Yeah, Gateron loves pink. What about it? What it reminds? You know what? It reminds. It's hard to say if it reminds slow curve spring or normal spring. It's like feels in between, like literally. It doesn't feel like slow spring. It has like it's a bit lighter, but it also doesn't feel like linear. Like I mean, it's linear spring, but doesn't feel like normal spring too. It's like something in between. And I read on internet that it's indeed something in between. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So it's literally between slow spring and normal spring. Okay, how it bottoms out. Okay, maximum. Man, it's pretty nice linear. And the color is nice. It's very light. And I will probably make it build with this. I love it. Very nice switch. Okay, now we'll try the linears. So its competitors right now is one of the more scratchy switches, Milky's cream, and one of the most probably smooth stock switch, mauves. So yeah, try these. Starting with, of course, Gateron Yellow Ink. Yeah, you guys, like, it has nice smoothness. Now, Milky's cream. Okay, now both of them. You know what? They have similar smoothness. Yeah, the smoothness is quite similar. It's a bit smooth. I know, it's first thing, it's a bit lighter, so it feels a bit smoother. But it's quite similar. Maybe Milky a bit more scratchy, but like it's really on the same side. Like they can be direct competitors to each other. Gateron Yellow and Milky's Cream, in smoothness wise. Yeah. And now mauves. Yeah, mauves is much more smoother. But I know, feeling wise, this feels better. Mauves doesn't feel that nice. It's like probably should do this, like this. It should be more, you know, like better comparison, because according to weight, you know, like. Yeah, so I think that yeah, Gateron Yellow sits in between mauves and Milky's Creams, but like pretty close to Milky's Cream smoothness. Now the sound. Of course, you won't like feel the full sound, but we can try. This was Gateron Yellow mauves. Kale creams. Again. Okay, so Gateron Yellow is more close to cream, so that, you know, like it has that lower pitch sound. Yeah, and this and like more feels muted. Yeah, it's smooth, but it's like really muted compared to these two. So yeah, I don't know. I like the switch. Like I just tried it and I already like it. It feels, you know, it feels better than 20 cents per switch. It feels better. You know, it feels better. Oh, it's a good switch. It's a really good switch. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, so should I unbox these? I would like, you know, to count. I always like to count switches. So okay, so one here. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here should be 100. Yeah, so the box is really nice. What inside? Nothing else. I like the better packaging. It's somehow really improved. I thought it's more weighty now, but it's pretty nice. It's good for storage purpose, you know. I like to have more storage opportunities, you know. Okay, alright. Opening it. We should close this and add it here. And now opening this. Ooh, nice. Ooh, we get some extra thing. The switch puller. You know, I'm quite happy I got it, because sometimes, even though it's like not very quality switch puller, but you know, sometimes like solder and you need to pull switch and you don't want to take anything fancy. I mean, the solder. So something like this can really work well. And you know, the more different switch pullers you have, the better. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. But I will add here, so you know, I see has more place here. Okay, now checking what's inside. I mean, counting. If everything were counted good, you know. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of this, but it's quite good. Especially this, I can use it, you know, like to add some stems. It's a bit dented, not much. Okay, counting now the switches. Okay, so 5, 7, 9, 10. 10 switches. Man, I like this color, like, ooh, very nice color. What I'm planning to do is to use these stems of Gateron yellow, and to change these stems of Gateron yellow ink, because I know I'm not a big fan of this box design. It's not a box design, but like, I think it bottoms out a bit earlier, so I want it, you know, to go fully. So I will do that mod. I will make Gateron yellow inks more of a Gateron black ink side. Well, the best possible ink combination, because it's 67G spring, which is cool, not too light, not too heavy, as 70G ink, like, I think best middle ground to be. Okay, so 10, 10, 10, 30, 36, 30, 30, it should be 110. Okay, 110. It should be 110. Yeah, so Gateron yellows are quite nice for the price. I mean, I'm not really sure if it's worth, you know, like, to buy some of the offerings. Yeah, it's, you know, like, GWK is like provides very different experience, so you should buy it if you want the experience. But if you don't, these are quite good. I mean, they're quite awesome, much better than the OEM versions where they are transparent or something. This is much more rigid, much more better. So yeah, so how many we counted already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9. Whoa, 9 and 10. Yeah. Whoa, wait. Something is not right. 5, 10. 5, 10, 10. 10. I think they add one extra switch. Yeah. Yep. They added one extra switch. I always love when vendors do that. You know, if one switch won't work or something, or you sometimes you lost a switch, sometimes the leg is bent, so that's good. That's nice. Okay, so 100 and one switch, yeah, 111 switches. So yeah, quite nice, cool. Does they feel similar? It differ a bit, but like not a lot. Yeah, they're quite similar. Yeah, the spring weight is really light. I know. I will say to you, it reminds more of spring, standard spring. Yeah, it reminds more of that one. But it has some characteristics of slow spring, but it's not like very obvious. It's just a bit. Yeah. So yeah, so I think that's all. It was quite a short, you know, like unboxing overview for parents. I will probably make more sound tests with this. These are some fancy keyboards. Have a little bit and stuff. Yeah. I really wanted to try the Gateron yellow. Like everyone's really like talking about it. They say, "Oh man, that's our awesome Switch for the price." You know, everyone's like saying that, so I really wanted to try it. And I'm happy. I'm happy that I bought it. It will find use. They're like good fillers when you like not want to buy expensive switches. They're like linear's point of reference. Yeah, something like that. It's like linear, how you should make linear switch. So you literally look at Gateron yellows and from that point of view try to make your own or something like that. It's a good example, I mean. So yeah, so that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, so I will probably be making these switches with these stems, and maybe we'll try it out. I will see if it sounds better than with these ones, if it feels better or it feels not as good. And yeah, so that's all. Thanks for watching. Till the next time. See ya, people.